So welcome back to my channel, guys. And to be honest, here is in context. Regularly we use this setup to record videos, but unfortunately my mic stopped working, so I have to throw this away and I have to get a new mic out of urgency. So currently I am recording on my Nothing Phone 3a Pro with some cheap Digitech mic. I mean, it does the job pretty well, but it costs around 2000 rupees. So to upgrade this audio quality, as well as I need a good microphone which I can use it for my mobile phone as well as to my camera. Then I have got this microphone from Hollyland, which I'm gonna use it for my camera as well as my smartphone. And it usually costs around 19,000, and I bought it from offline stores. So let us unbox this new microphone and let us set up this to our new, old camera technically with new mic setup. And I want to even create a gym content, so wireless microphones would be definitely helpful while doing workout. So I'm gonna use this microphone to its core. So and another major thing is that you people are just watching my videos and you people aren't subscribing. So there is an goal for me which I have set up for myself, like I need to achieve 10k subscribers before December. So if you're new to this channel, definitely subscribe my channel. So let us unbox this microphone and let us see what are the box contents it has. This is how the microphone looks on the front. Here you can see Hollyland branding over here, and it is a model number Lark M2 wireless lavalier microphone. And on the side here you can see the demonstration of the pictures, like using on a smartphone as well as a DSLR camera. On the another side here you can see made to inspire, as well as on the back here you can see all the details. For example, it is a button size microphone and it can record at 48 kilowatts at 24-bit, as well as it has universal compatibility, where you can connect this microphone to the iOS device as well as the Android device, which has a lightning port as well as C port. And it has advanced ENC, which is nothing but environment noise cancellation, and it has long battery life which will last up to 40 hours. Usually it doesn't come 40 hours, but the company claims that. So, and I have broken the seal to see whether the product is there or not. At the bottom, as you can see, I'm removing this again for you guys. So here you can see compatible for iPhone as well as iPad at the bottom. So if you have Apple products, it will definitely work well compared to Android. And when you open the box, you don't find anything fancy here. You will just find some paperwork as well as some stickers. Let us see. So we are here for you. And there are lots of stickers and some user manuals. And at the end of the user manuals you can see all the box contents, which we are not going to check usually. So never mind, we are going to keep this aside. If something doesn't go our way, we will definitely use this. Okay, and here you can see in this envelope we got some user manuals. And inside of the box, the boxing is, the box contents are pretty simple. You will get something like a TWS thing, where you will get all the microphone as well as receivers. And on the front you can see one receiver for lightning port, so which we are not gonna use because we are using Android right now, and one for type C, which you can commonly use for newer iPhones as well as common Android phones. And inside the box we have some more box contents, such as we got a pouch from Holyland and some silicone thing. So let us see what is inside the pouch. The pouch quality is technically great. I guess there will be lots of cables and stuff. And we got another pouch inside it, maybe. If you see, you get different cables here. For example, you get a dead cat for your microphone, which will help it to cancel all the wind noise. And let us keep this aside, and you get a magnetic button where you can just magnetize your microphone like a button. So yeah, it comes pretty much handy here. So another major thing is that you got different cables as well as different magnets here, which you can see. I will show it to you guys. So technically technically these are the button type of magnets where mic just sticks like that. I will show it to you. Before that, here you will get an USB A to Type C cable. The cable quality is quite surprising. It's pretty much great. And here is an dead cat, and here is an 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm microphone cable, which you can use it as an you can use it this cable for receiver. And so yeah, these are the box contents. And let us open the main thing. Here you will find all the microphone things. So yeah, this is an one microphone, and this is an second microphone, and this is an receiver which you can use it for camera. So I'm gonna showcase it to you within a while. So yeah, and let me showcase the magnets as well. So the build quality of the microphones are pretty much great. The magnets are great, so you can directly take this thing and you can just stick this thing on. So yeah, it pretty much works like this, and you can just place it to your collar. So it's that simple. So let us set up all those things to our camera, and I'll showcase to you. So if you use a DSLR camera like this, then you have to take this device which is included in the box like TWS, and the design is pretty much great here. So you can turn this way to increase the volume and this way to decrease the volume. And here you can see TX1, TX2 stands for mic 1 and mic 2, and you can directly attach this microphone to the this magnet, and you can directly plug into your collar. So yeah, I'll show it to you in a while. There is a magnet over here. You have to just place it like that, and boom, done. You have to just now place it to your collar, which is I messed up. So yeah, you have to just place it like this. There you go. Everything feels nice and comfortable. And let me give you a third person perspective how the setup right now looks. You can see right over here, this is how the setup looks with the receiver on the top. So you need an this receiver for DSLR as well as this sort of cable, so that you can directly plug into your camera's hotspot. I'm showing it to you in a while. Before that, I want to just add the camera battery as well as SD card. Mind me, I was editing some videos as well as shooting some videos, so everything is in different place. So yeah, just let me put this thing inside it, and there you go. So I'm turning this off, and you have to just take this clip, and you have to just insert here. It goes in the groove like with ease. So yeah, and you have to just connect this 3.5 mm jack into your camera's 3.5 mm jack. There you go, and you have to just turn on your camera, as well as now you have to just click on the power button, which is right over here. Then you can see the lights are blinking. And let me take one microphone out of the box. Here you can see when the two blue lights are blinking, it means the two lights are in the case which are charging. So let me showcase it to you. I'm just taking out one microphone from the box, and I'm just placing it on the magnet. The magnet feels pretty much solid, and you can see the green lights are popping up. Only one microphone is in standby blue LED indicator, and another is blinking, which means one is in charging and one is in use. And here you can see the red light. So you can I mean, here you can see the green lights. I'm extremely sorry. And here you can directly increase the volume as well as decrease the volume, and this is how it looks. Okay, yeah, let us switch back to our camera and see the audio quality from the microphones. So yeah, just tell me the audio quality and everything from this microphone. Just tell me how is the audio quality improved from our previous videos. So yeah, and you can also connect your Hollyland M1 microphone to your smartphone. I am gonna showcase to you guys in this video, so wait for it. Connect your microphone to your smartphone. You have to take a respected receiver and you have to just plug in here, and I'm just doing that. And you have to just turn on the camera mode. As you can see here, the lights are blinking, so I'm just opening my camera and switching to video. And if you see here, there are two lights blinking. It means it's in pairing mode, so we have to take another microphone. So let me do that. Wait a while. Secondary microphone which I am using. So now you can see here there is one green light, so it is successfully connected to here. So yeah, let me record the perspective from my smartphone. Let me do that for you guys. Oh my god, it's hard to handle everything all at once. So yeah, I'm just clicking on the record button. So successfully we have paired this microphone with our smartphone. So yeah, there is a green light over here, so it means we have paired it successfully. So hi guys, boom, we are recording this from our smartphone, and that too from our front camera. I know the video quality is piece of shit from this Nothing Phone 3a, that too from front camera. So yeah, currently we have turned our fan on, and we are just recording with the same Hollyland M1 microphone with the fan noise. And just tell me the audio quality with the fan noise. And yeah, so let us talk about the mic. This box, microphone box. Here you can see USB type C on the rear, mind me for my lighting, as you can see here. And the hinge also is pretty much built with solid quality, and you can see the plastic is solid and it is quite hard. And here you can see battery indicators right over here, and it seems pretty much interesting. So yeah, and another major thing is that the magnets inside of this case is also pretty much good. As you can see here, it just goes like that. So yeah, everything seems perfect about the box for the price we are paying. So the final conclusion about this microphone is that talking about the build quality is pretty much solid, as well as the accessories and the microphones are pretty much great, to be honest. And if you are like me, someone who uses a different devices to record, it works seamlessly. Like I use my DSLR cameras as well as my smartphone for recording videos. Everything seems perfect. I didn't face any pairing issues or something like that. Everything works pretty much well. And if you have iPhone, then you got a pretty much great quality compared to Android. And another major thing is that I have used these microphones on outdoors, and I wanna tell you that it has cut out every noise possible. Like I have shot something on my terrace. Here you can see the sample. So literally there was a background construction noise as well as vehicle noises are going on, but it literally cut it out all the noises which are available in the background. I feel like at the price of 20k, these microphones work like a gem. So yeah, if you have a budget around 20k, and if you are looking for a microphone which you can use for your Android device as well as iPhones as well as DSLR, you should definitely go for it. And if you are someone who want to do a podcast with only 2 members, you can directly do with this microphone with studio level quality. And if you are someone who is looking for a cheapest microphone setup for podcast, you should definitely go for it. And that's it for this video, guys. And if you have any other opinions, please let me know. And before going, you know, right, we have set a target for achieving 10k subscribers before December, so definitely subscribe my channel. Yeah, signing off, your tech dude.